Okay.
This is for my Grandma Madeline. She used every part of everything. So yesterday we made that roasted chicken. Now we're boiling the bones for some bone broth, but I also threw pasta in to make chicken soup. And I'm going to start on the soup ingredients. Here I am chopping up an onion and fast forward. There's a million ways to do this. You can see over here in the distance, I took the skin off by putting it underwater. Makes it much easier to remove the outer layer. I just did kind of a simple cross hatching here. Go one way, you go the other way. I like to slice off one side, set it on side, and then slice down. And then any piece that didn't get perfectly diced, I dice up. At the end, I'm not a chef. I just am a home cook. So there we go. Here I'm swirling around a little avocado oil, and in goes the onion. And the carrot, celery, and garlic. Always kind of scrape the sides here if you have extra. Give it a good stir. What we're doing here is sweating out the vegetables, adding liberal salt and pepper here. And then our spices. Rosemary, lemon pepper, onion powder, herb de Provence. I know I used whatever that is. I think it's herb de Provence, yeah, the French one. Couple others, give it a good stir. You can really use whatever you like here. If you have fresh herbs like thyme, rosemary, it's also excellent in chicken soup. I had some fresh rosemary I can clip from my little rosemary tree from Christmas time. Oops. I'm adding my pasta back into the whole thing. Let those vegetables sweat out and steamed a bit, and it's been seasoned. And then I'm gonna add the chicken stock back from my roasting pad from last night. Just try not to do as many dishes. Type A-ish, guys. This is how we hack it and make it a little easier on ourselves, even though this is kind of an extra credit assignment. It'll be something we eat for weeks. It's kind of Great Depression style too, like my grandmother did, wooden spoon and all. You don't waste any part of what you've bought for groceries. It saves money, and you know what's going in your food. I'm just gonna let all this work together for a little bit. I'm gonna throw the chicken back in that I already roasted last night, some of that white meat chicken. Put the veg is in. I'm just gonna fish out any chicken skin that accidentally got in there with the noodles. There we go. Got it. Here I am just pulling apart a lot of that lovely white meat chicken. My husband's really weird about grizzly bits and dark meat, so I'm using a lot of the white meat. Roasted chicken from last night without taking too much, because I know he's going to want leftovers of just plain roasted chicken. Delicious. One of my husband's and dog's favorite foods. And here we go. Homemade chicken noodle soup. Used with that, boiling the bones of that roasted chicken that makes real chicken stock. Salt and pepper, all the spices I showed. A little mélange of garlic, onion. There's another skin, take that out. Garlic, onion, carrot, celery, and that white meat chicken mostly, and some dark meat chicken. Delicious. And the beautiful thing about chicken noodle soup, aside from boosting your immunity at this time of year, is that it freezes and reheats really well. And I put mine in the silicone muffin tin, so you've got some individual portions, which is amazing and makes it so easy. Oh, that's for lunch.